morning, everyone. This is a first online lecture for Matlab. I wish that you have all installed Matlab software. Today we will take some functions which is already built in and installed by Matlab. We already considered during the lecture, but we will take it back again. For example, we talked about sqrt and square. We said, for example, we have said before that if you want to find, for example, 16 to the power of 1 over 2, the result gonna be 4, right? If the result is 4, so suppose that I want 16, okay, I want to find 36 root mean square to the power of 1 over 2. The result is 6. So this is same like doing sqrt of 36. The result is 6. And this is as well same as for 16. So the result is 4. So the result is 4. So sqrt is same like the root mean square as in this file. And by the way, this file is uploaded on I've sent to all the students. Second thing, suppose that you don't want to find the root mean square. Suppose that you want to find the root of 5 or root of 6. For example, 3 times 3 times 3, what is the result is 27. So if I want to find 27 root of a cube, 1 over 3. So the result gonna be how much? 3. Why? Because 3 times 3 times 3 equal to 27. What is the other way? The other way, it is mentioned in here. So nth root, you write the number and the number of the root, the level, the power of the root. So for example, if I want to find it in this way, nth root of, I want to find 27 and the root is 3. This is the root power. It will directly give me 3. Why? Because 3 times 3 times 3. So guys, you have two options. Either to write nth root or to make this one, which is to the power of 1 over 3. Is it clear, guys? Let me ask Jutiar. Is it clear, this point? So we have two options. So in the exam, you may do this way, which is nth root, or you may do this, which is the number to the power of 1 over the power. Okay? Okay. The other point which I would like to mention is the exponential. As you can see here, if you want to find the exponential of anything, you write just exp of 5 or exp of 6. So if I want to find exp of 20, for example, it will give me the result. This is an exponential function, which is mathematical function. We will find it in the exercises later today. Absolute value. You know the absolute value. If you want to find the absolute value of anything, let me try to do it. Absolute of minus 27, you know in mathematics it's equal to Chana Lania, it's 27 directly. This is the absolute value. Okay, if you want to find the absolute of minus 100, the result gonna be 100. if you want to find the absolute of anything under these two things, which is the absolute, it will change the negative signal to a positive signal. It's gonna be a positive. اتفضل دكتور. بداخل المحاضرة تفضل. Excuse me, I'll come back in 2 minutes. تفضل دكتور.
يمكن هاي لحظة دكتور. يرغم على جهازين.
اي
مو؟
نعم.
هسه يعني مربوط بجهازين. اريدك تخرجني من هاي حتى اركب على هاي.
خذ مالتي دكتور.
ها؟
هذا مالتي.
والله
اي فوق Okay, I'm coming back, guys. Okay, sorry for this interruption. Let me go back to today's lecture. Okay, so this is about the absolute value. So how can we represent the absolute inside Matlab? Inside Matlab, we just write ABS. Let me take this example. For example, I want absolute value of minus 24. The result gonna be 24. Okay, guys? If I want absolute value of minus 1000, minus 100, the result is 100. So guys, why we are studying these things, the absolute value? Because we have many equations in Matlab, many codes. We need sometime only the positive power, only the positive result. So you should understand the way how we can going to get the absolute value. Students, we have two types of logarithmic. We have the natural logarithm and we have base 10 logarithm. Base 10 is the most important thing. Why? Because sometimes students, you know that log 10 of, for example, 1000, it calculates number of zeros. So here I have 3 zeros, the result gonna be 3. This we call base 10 logarithmic. The other logarithm, which is natural logarithm, which has charts in math, it gives me different result, which is 6.9. So we have two types of logarithms. Please be careful. Either it's base 10, which will just calculate number of zeros. For example, if I have logarithm base 10 with a million, the result gonna be 6. But the nature logarithm is different result. It's calculated by calculator and charts. So you should memorize how do we represent the sqrt, nth root, exponential function, absolute value, the log and log 10, which is the natural logarithm and the base 10 logarithm. Other thing, students, is the factorial. You should be taking this thing in math previously, but let me do a small revision on the factorial. Factorial is like this. Guys, if you have 5 factorial, like this. If you have 5 factorial, let me write, for example, 7 or 10 factorial. What is equal to? It's equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, and you will find the result. This is 10 factorial. So in Arabic we call مضروب al-ashra. So you will just go down by 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we find the result. We have another option is using calculator. Okay, if we don't have calculator, we just print it here. I find it. Okay, you see 10 factorial, I will just write 10, and I think I have factorial in here. Yes, this is it. The result is 3,620,628,628,800. So this is the factorial of 10. Let me take a small exercise. Everyone try to find me 4 factorial. Can you give me the result, guys? Anyone? Let me ask Ahmed Diyar. Ahmed Diyar.
دكتور
4 factorial. تعرف شلون تجيب 4 factorial? Can you get 4 factorial for me?
يكون 4 مضروب 3 مضروب 2 مضروب 1
طلع لي النتيجة.
12 بس استاذ دقيقة
4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 24, so the result is 24. Okay, you have to keep in your mind. I will interrupt for 1 minute, excuse me. Okay, 0 factorial is 1. You have to keep in your mind that 0 factorial is 1. Let me exercise this on Matlab software. You see, this is factorial. Okay, remember the spelling. So if I would like to write factorial of 10, we're gonna get same previous result, which is 3,628,800. If I want to find factorial of 0, Ahmed, ايش قد الريزلت؟ is 1. Okay, أحمد وياي أحمد؟ أحمد؟
يا أستاذ
لا تنام أحمد، لا تنام. You can mute yourself now. I will mute you. Okay.
أستاذ بس سؤال صغير
بدي أحكي I muted you. افتح الصوت مرة له. افتح الصوت أحمد من يمك. اسأل.
أستاذ يعني سؤالي يعني صغير أستاذ ليش طلع يعني 1 0
اوكي
0
هذا اثبات رياضي، احنا نقدر ناخذه بالماثماتكس بالرياضيات. هسه حاليا بس نتعلم الكود مال ماتلاب. Now Ahmed is asking why the factorial of 0 equal 1. So the result, the answer is that this is a mathematical proof. We are going to prove it in mathematics inshallah. But now in Matlab you just have to learn the codes, how to find the factorial of something. Okay guys, because this will take a long time to explain. Let me jump. Thank you, it's a good question, Ahmed. So this is function for factorial. What is the next thing? Is the round. Guys, you know that 17 over 5, the result is 3 point something, 3 and 3.666. Suppose I don't want to get the points, the number behind the point. Jutiar, I would like to get only the exact number. So I will do round, R-O-U-N-D. Suppose that I want to find a round of 22 over 5. Everyone knows that 22. B2 the Penge result is 4.45. But I want to find only the exact number. So I'll just write round, R-O-U-N-D. Okay. And the result gonna be 4. If I write only 22 divided by 5, the result will be 4.4, as you know. But if I want to find the exact number, I want to neglect the small fraction, I would just type round. Guys, this is very important before we enter the long codes. So you should memorize some functions which we need during the programming. Next thing is the fixed value. Okay, that's mean round toward zeros. That's mean round to the below level. You know that 13 divided by 5, it will be near to how much? It's 2 point something, 2.3, 2.6 maybe. But I want to be close to the shortest number. That means close to the 0, to the low level, not to the highest level. So I will just write fix, which is to the fixed value to 0. So 13 divided by 5 gonna be 2. Or let me take an example. Fix, open bracket, 22 divided by 5, the result here is 4. Even if I make 24 divided by 5, the same result I will get. Even 24.99999 divided by 5, the result gonna be 4. Okay, students? Let me ask Lania. Lania, do you hear me, Lania?
Yes, Ustaz.
Is it clear this point? If we use fixed
Yes.
and round. So what is the difference between fixed and round?
6 and round.
Yeah. فرق شي بين fixed and round.
Fix second. لا بس هيك أستاذ.
Okay. Both of them give me the same value. Okay.
Number.
Give me the same thing.
Yes.
But there is a difference between fix and ceil. Seal. Seal, it takes the closest number to the highest value. For example, 11 divided by 5, you know it's 2 point something, right? But it give me the highest value. That means the result gonna be 3. Let me take an example. You remember fix? Now I will take ceil, ceil. So I will write ceil. You see now 24.999 divided by 5, the result gonna be 5 for sure. If I write 21 also, there is divided by 5, the result gonna give me 5. Okay, this is the difference between ceil and fix. Fix will take the nearest number, will round the number to the lowest value. But ceil will give me the nearest number to the highest value. Excuse me 1 minute, I will come back to you. Okay, I come back to you guys. Sorry for this interruption. Yeah. Now, students, let me reduce my voice. Can you still hear me, Ahmed? تسمعني زين؟
بالضبط أستاذ.
اوكي، انا حنصي صوتي حتى لا ازعج باقي الناس. اوكي.
لا كلش ممتاز.
هذا هو. زين. خذ راحتك. Okay. So now, guys, let we go to the. Today is gonna be very short lecture, guys. Floor, okay. Floor we will not use it this semester. We may need it next semester. Rim also we are not using rim, and sine we are not using sine. So let we take something important. Clear x, y, z, and who. Why do we need who? You remember previously when we used different things, like we said a equal to 3, b equal to 5, z equal to a times b. You remember this thing before? So now a is stored in my memory with a value of 3. B also stored with a value of 5. Z is stored with a value of 15. The question is, if you use many variables, how you are going to know which variable did you use? It's very simple. In Matlab, you just write who, W-H-O. You will find that A, B, and Z is already used. You cannot use it before. You cannot use it again. So students, suppose that I want to know the value of each variable. Maybe I can use it again. So I will write WHOS. You see, it give me that I have used a with the size of one number answer. You see, previously we have answer, I think this answer, you see, it's already one number, which is 5, and we have a size of this value. How many bytes it took? One digit. It's 8 bytes. 8 bytes everyone. It save a double column for everyone. Attribution is not, there is no attribution. So this is will show you that these variable had been already used. So let me test. Let me put ans, ans. I put enter. You see, it gave me ans is 5. I still can use ans times z. So as you know here, z is 15. Ans is 5. 5 times 15 is 75. So the result is 75. So this is very important. Clear. I have an easy shortcut. It's clear to remove all the variable. Clear it. For example, I will write clear. Now I don't have any ans. I don't have value for a. You see, it's unidentified. B is removed. This is to clear all my variables, guys. Now next thing is exercises. Students, these exercises are very important. These exercises will come into your exam, so you should make sure to be able to answer all these exercises. These are homework for next week. You should all install Matlab on your PC. Guys, thank you very much. I will save my recording, so please stay with me. Let me check how to stop this recording.